Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford Fiesta electric window. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and recline the seat for better access. Remove the door trim screws and gently pry the panel away to expose the regulator and motor. Keep a magnetic tray for screws and note connector positions. Test the switch with a multimeter before removing parts and replace only the failed components to save time and money. To diagnose, first operate the switch while listening for motor noise and feeling for vibration. Remove the door trim to access the motor and regulator assembly, then test the switch with a multimeter for power and ground. If the motor is silent when power is applied directly, it's likely failed. If the motor runs but the window doesn't move, inspect the regulator cables and slides for damage or misalignment before ordering parts. Begin repairs by lowering the glass to a safe position and supporting it with tape or a wedge. Remove the door handle and trim screws, then ease off the panel to reveal the regulator and motor. Unbolt the failed component and swap in the new regulator or motor, reattaching the glass to its mounting points. Reconnect the electrical connector, apply silicone lubricant to the tracks, and test the window several times before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.